The job: get SOPs drafted, reviewed, approved, and released with zero hand-holding. That's what Adlib does. Draft intake first. Adlib pulls from anywhere: Word, images, scanned PDFs, CAD, DWG, 300+ file types. It converts to clean, tablet-friendly PDFs, stamps draft, and auto-adds the critical stuff: headers, footers, version, author, effective date. OCR, built in. Terminology and metadata checks, done. Now, review, minus the chaos. Comments, track changes, and different versions are captured automatically. Insertions show up. Deletions are struck through. When it's done, your file is stamped, review complete. You also get a compact JSON changelog, perfect for dashboards and downstream systems. Approval and release, next. Adlib assembles the final package, a locked, archival-ready PDF-A with hyperlinks, bookmarks, and a table of contents. Need to merge the SOP with diagrams and CAD drawings into one controlled record? Click. Done. Easy to navigate, impossible to accidentally edit. How it fits your world? Adlib plugs into your QMS, SharePoint, email, or DMS. No new end-user app. Your triggers fire, Adlib does the heavy lift in the background. Bring your own LLM for summarization or field extraction. Adlib orchestrates it statelessly, then returns clean JSON to your MES, EDMS, or data lake. Why it matters? Faster approvals, fewer errors, built-in compliance and auditability, SOPs and data that are instantly AI-ready. If your team is still herding documents, you're leaking time and inviting risk. Let Adlib turn SOP chaos into a clean, locked, compliant package every time.